So then there's bread flour, and my friend and I, back at the end of 2020, we decided to together but virtually make ciabatta bread. And ciabatta bread is a whole process. You almost do make a mother dough, like a sourdough, but it's not quite as intense as making the what's the name of sourdough? The starter, yeah, not quite as an intense process, but it just did take like 48 hours altogether. And he only used all-purpose flour, and I read the recipe and I got bread flour specifically for it, but that's okay. And his turned out a lot more
dense,
flat, dense and flat. And mine turned out like how I wanted it to, the ciabatta style bread.
With the all-purpose flour, you can get bleached and unbleached. That's another aspect of the flour procedure too.
I'm not really sure if that makes a huge difference, but
some people may think bleached. Oh, that's a bad word because that's a chemical.
It's just a process.
I know it's a process. Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, bread flour the reason why they say to use bread flour versus all-purpose flour when baking bread flour has a higher protein content, so ranging from 12 to 14% more, which makes the bread just basically it provides more elasticity, having that protein in there. And it also allows the dough to expand and trap the carbon dioxide process better during the fermentation.
To get that bread texture, that fluffiness and the air pockets in there to do all that, so it's not a brick.
Right.